In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see how much free hard drive space you have available on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Go button up in the menu bar and then go down and select Utilities. And now you want to select where it says Disk Utility. Go ahead and double click on that. And then it should present to you how much free space is right here. That's right here on this illustration, and that'll tell you how much space you have available on your hard drive. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.